Hello everyone. I welcome you all in a virtual classes program of JetKids International School at Home. And today we are going to discuss very important thing in mathematics. Okay, of chapter 4, that is basic geometrical idea in mathematics for class 6th. Right? Maths. Okay, fine. So today we are going to discuss angles. Clear? So angles we have to discuss first. Clear? Because 4.3 is depend. So first of all, what is mean by angle? Okay. Angle means if two rays are there. Okay. Says OA. Clear? And OB. Clear? So you know very well how to write OA and OB. Clear? Here is OA. It is a symbolic representation, and it is OB. Right? It is a bit smaller. You can see. So I will try to make it. I will try to enlarge it. Okay. So OA and OB, ray OA and OB. So most important thing here, you can see that OA and OB are sharing a one point, that is O. O is common in both ray, right? Both the rays. One point is common, says O, right? So if they are sharing, any two rays are sharing a common point, then it will make an angle. Okay, this angle. Okay, so this curve will indicate it is an angle. Clear? After that, what we have to do? After this, what next? After this, how to write it? Angle AOB. Okay, now it is clear. If what is mean by angle? If two rays are sharing one point, or one point is common in two rays, then this is a angle. It will make angle. So this is an angle. Okay, clear? And how to name it? It will be AOB, angle. First you will make the sign of this angle like this, and you will write AOB. And this corner is known as vertex, right? Vertex of this angle. Okay, so vertex will always be, that means common point will always be in the middle while writing angle. Clear? So we can write angle O only. Why? Because O is the common point and O is the vertex. That's why we can write in these two way the name of any angle. For example, PQR, anything. So this will always be in middle, or this will always be a single, the vertex point. Okay, so keep in your mind while writing any name of angle, while writing any symbolic representation of an angle, you have to keep in your mind how to write it. You have to keep in your mind that vertex is most important while writing symbolic representation of any angle. Right? Now one more thing is added up in this angle, concept of angle, that means positioning. Okay, what is mean by positioning? You know very well, in previous video we already discussed at the time of curves, interior, exterior, and on curve, right? These three position we already did it. Interior, exterior. Interior means inside, exterior means outside, and on the curve means at boundary. Clear? So next thing, for example, I am making any curve, any angle, says PQR. Okay, now what? I am just making vertical lines to, this is the part given. Okay, this is the concept given in book. Okay, we will change it again. Okay, so vertical lines, making vertical lines So this shaded area will be interior part. Clear? This shaded area will be interior part, and this outer area, except the shaded area, it will be exterior part. Clear? After that, if this is arms, okay, this rays will be called as arm, one arm, second arm of that angle, okay, any specific angle. So if we found any point on this thing, so it will be on angle. Clear? Hope this is clear to all of you. Okay, for example, and it will be indefinite. Okay, this area will be indefinite because we can extend a ray to the infinite, right? So this is indefinite. You cannot find the limit of this is not closed. Clear? As we see in curves, so it is not closed. That's why it will be indefinitely extended. It can be indefinitely extended. I hope it is clear to all of you. Right? This is interior part, this is exterior part, and this is on the boundary. Clear? I hope it is clear to all of you. And let us start our 4.3 exercise. 4.3. Very simple thing. So I hope you understood what is mean by angle, right? When two rays sharing a common point known as angle, they will make an angle, okay, and the vertex, and if I use terminology vertices, then it will be the plural form of vertex, don't worry. Okay, so let us start exercise 4.3. Clear? So first question in 4.3 is name the angle in the given figure. So it is like this figure is given, right? B, C and D. Clear? So what you have to do? You have to name all the angles. So how many angles we have? Here, as many vertices you can see. So they will be equal to the number of angles. Okay, vertices 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 angles will be there. First A, then B, then C, then D. Clear? So first angle answer you will write question as it is, then you will draw properly, you will draw this diagram properly, then after that you will start your answer from here. This is how you will write your answer in your notebooks. Okay, keep in your mind, it's your presentation must be up to the mark. Okay, first DAB, first angle is A, so I am writing angle DAB. Middle I am taking vertex A, that means angle A we are talking about. Clear? Then second thing, B, if I am taking, so A, B, C, middle letter, you have to always keep in your mind, middle letter will be the angle, middle letter will be the vertex. Third, B, C, D. Fourth, C, D, A, angle C, D, A. This is the symbolic representation, and this is how you will write all the angles. So this was our question number 1 of exercise 4.3. I hope it is clear to all of you. Okay, next thing, is question number 2, and it is about in the given diagram, name the points. FOD, ACBE. Okay, so this is the diagram given. Okay, and first, A is in the interior of DOE. You have to name the points or point. Okay, so in the interior of DOE, first question. What is it? What is there? DOE. Point A is there in angle interior of angle DOE. See this area. See, I am just this area. Just concentrate. This area is an interior part of DOE. Except that each and every point will be in the exterior of DOE. Okay, it can increase. It can extend it to indefinitely as this ray will extend. Clear? I hope it is clear to all of you. Next thing, in the exterior of EOF. EOF. So exterior point. What we have to see? Exterior point. So how many points in the exterior? See, this is the interior part, whole interior part of EOF. Now exterior points are CAD. So exterior points will be point C, point D, and point A. Right? A, D, and point C are the exterior of this angle, exterior points of this angle. Okay. Next thing, that is on EOF. See, this is the angle EOF. Right? So first you can see B is on this this arm. Okay, OE, this ray. So B is on OEF. Right? So first I am writing point B. See, E is also there and F is also there and O is also there. So it will always be on the angle. Clear? Point E, then point O, and point F. Clear? So these 4 points, point B, point O, point F, point E are on this angle EOF. I hope it is clear to all of you. Take a snap if you want to and write it properly with the statement, right? Interior, exterior on the, okay. So you have to write it with the statements properly. Clear? That is not a big deal. Next thing is question number 3rd, draw a rough diagram. Okay. Question number 3rd, draw a rough diagram. Diagrams of two angles such that they have one point in common. Okay, rough diagram. You have to draw a rough diagram, right? So one point in common. Draw a rough diagram of two angles such that. So always you have to draw two angles, okay, such that they are common. For example, I'm first angle and this is second angle. So I am just writing over here ABC and D. Clear? So see, angle ABC first, angle CBD second. Okay, so angle ABC and angle angle CBD have B in common. Okay, so they have one point in common, right? Or you can, so we can say 2 points also there. Okay, 2 point is also there. So I will change the diagram. A B, and C. After that, I'm just making another one. Clear? So D and E. Clear? So you can see over here A, B, C and D, B, E. D, B, E. Clear? A, B, C and D, B, E. Only one point should be common. That's why I erased previous one. Okay, one point should be common only. So we can see one point that B is have angle ABC and angle DBE have B as a common point. Right? Similarly, you have to make 2 points common, 3 point common, 4 point common, right? Or one ray in common. Okay. So this was first, take a snap. Okay. So if I want to make this is O, P, Q, R. Okay. You can see 2 points are common over here. This is POQ, this is ROQ. So OQ, this is a hint I am giving. That's why I am not writing it. Okay, you have to do it as a PH. 2 points are common. If I want to say 3 points, so I will take third point common, then fourth point common. And if I am taking ray common, so in POQ or ROQ, OQ ray is common, right? So this type of a diagram you have to make for BCDE. Okay, I hope you will complete this PH, right? This is the PH of third question, that is BCDE. And we are done with our exercise 4.3, and in next video we will continue with our triangles. Okay, I hope you all will solve it with enthusiasm, and I hope you all are safe at your home. Okay, so stay safe and keep practicing. Thank you so much.